Toyota developed an easy-to-use dash camera that will record your driving experience, as well as any incidents that may occur while your vehicle is parked, without any concern about driver distraction. The Toyota Genuine Dash Camera is safely secured to the vehicle's windshield and is wired directly into its electrical system, so there are no unsightly hanging wires to plug in and get in the way. And it has no screen, so there's no concern about being distracted while driving. The camera provides full HD 1080p video recording with audio, but the audio function can be disabled if desired. Recording begins automatically when the vehicle's ignition power is turned on, so there's no need to touch it once it's installed. The Toyota Genuine Dash Camera has several recording modes. Infinite Loop Mode automatically records videos and other data on a continuous loop, saving it on an industrial-grade micro SD memory card. Incident Recording Mode is activated automatically in the event of a collision. With the aid of G-sensor impact detection, the video footage for the 12 seconds before impact and the 8 seconds immediately after is saved on the micro SD card for retrieval at a later time. Use of the G-sensor for impact detection paired with a GPS sensor that monitors speed and position will provide an accurate account of events post-collision. Parking Surveillance Mode provides a similar record if the vehicle is struck while parked, even when it is powered off. The device will record up to 60 seconds following the impact, and the file will be saved on the micro SD memory card. Up to 10 parking incidents are protected at one time. After 10 incidents, the oldest is overwritten if new incidents occur. Interesting Event Recording Mode allows you to capture video of something that catches your interest simply by pushing a button on the camera. It will automatically save the past 12 seconds and the following 8 seconds for review later. Up to 5 of these manual event recordings can be protected at one time. After 5, the oldest is overwritten on the card. Adventure Mode allows you to manually save up to an hour of footage at the highest quality video setting without the need for multiple devices on your windshield. This all-in-one device can increase safety while capturing your adventures on the road for reference at a later time. An 8GB industrial-grade micro SD card of much higher quality than typically used in aftermarket systems is included with the camera. It has an estimated life cycle of approximately 20,000 write cycles, compared to approximately 2,000 for consumer-grade cards. While the camera is capable of accommodating up to a 32GB card, use of an aftermarket SD card is not recommended. Once the micro SD card is full, the oldest files will be overwritten with no need to manually delete files. When the vehicle is stationary, using the software app provided, you can change settings or view recorded footage on your smartphone via Wi-Fi data transmission. Alternatively, the micro SD card can be removed from the camera to transfer and save its files to your PC or Mac computer using an application that's downloaded from the website. The app can be used to change settings as well as view recorded footage. Thanks for watching this Know Your Toyota video.